Greatness was witnessed last night. I had a chance to see Rosalia live at Pechanga Arena in San Diego. Huge shout out to Apollo and crew. We made a stop to the merch table first to check out the stuff. An amazing, intimate venue for as big as it is. It all feels you're like almost closed in, like leaning towards the stage. And then A1 design from set, from costumes, intermission, everything was this organized thing. I majorly got clips and photos in a rush because you just want to be fully immersed the entire time you're part of this performance. The best way I would put it is like you're a part of an art event, art installation for the quickest 2 hours ever. And then major shout out to special guest Brittany Broski. Let's go. One of the wildest parts was she performed near the middle of the arena at one point, and there was this like almost hovering, glowing orb she had that just added this almost EDM feel. I believe she has a few US shows left, and then the rest is in South America. If you can, go see her live still, please.